Hi everyone, this is Raj Kumar. In this video, we'll see how we can install Windows 11, a freshly new Windows 11 in our laptop. So for that one, you need two things. The first one is a software which will help in creating a pendrive bootable format, and the next thing is Windows 11 ISO file. You can download it from its official sources. So let's jump it. So for that one, we need to just open this PowerShell for software. You can use the refers also, but I am just using this software. I have boot many operating system by using this software, so I'm using this one. So just go to create bootable USB drive, just open in administrative mode and just wait for a second, then just continue, then just select your window 11. This is the freshly new window 11. So after installation, we'll see what are the GUI and how it is different from window 10. Currently I'm using window 10, this one. So let's start booting our window 11. So it might take some time because our size of window 11 is roughly around 5 GB, so it might took more time as compared to previous operating systems. So we will wait until it's get completed. So I am pausing it here, this video, and we will continue after when it is going to be completed. So for that I am pausing it. So finally it is completed. It took so long time. It took me around 28 minutes. It's my first time when I'm installing Windows 11. I don't know why it took such time. Might be because my pen drive might be slow, but maybe because of Windows 11 it adds most features and many other things. So might it took. So let's switch to our system and we see what are the installation process and how Windows 11 is different from our this Windows 10. So we are going to close these all. Our pen drive is successfully converted to bootable format, and we will now switch to our Windows 10. Now we are going to install a fresh Windows 11 in our laptop. So I'm pausing it here and we'll continue from our new system. So we are on a new system. So let's open a BIOS setup. So for opening BIOS setup, you all know there is a different keys. So in window you can keep pressing escape key after pressing power button on. Now select boot menu, select this F9. Now it will ask from where you want to install this. So I'm going to select this SanDisk Cruiser Blade. So it will start. So let's see how it is different from our Windows 10 installation process. I already created video on Windows 10 installation process, so let us see what are different process for installation for this Windows 11. So let's wait until it's get started. So it is going to start, so it might took some time. So this is our Windows 11 setup. So this is the basic things. This thing also asked in Windows 10 installation process. So we are going to install now. Setup is going to start. So let's see what these things are asking remaining. So let me pause the video because I don't know how much time it took. So this is how last update it is showing 2021. This is section Microsoft will, and these all are terms and condition. So you might pause it and read all I'm going to accept Microsoft software conditions. So this is asking what kind of installation you want. You want to keep, I already have Windows 10 in this system, but I want to upgrade it. I don't have any important data, so I'm going to install these things. If you are having any, so I'm going to delete all partition because I don't have any important data. So first I'm going to delete all partitions, then I will install in a fresh. So I'm going to delete. So these all are, so let me delete all partitions first. So this is for, I'm going to install it here. So select next. So copying window files is being started. It might took some time because in while installing window 10. So this is how installing process is going on. Files which is completed is copying window files. Now it is showing getting files ready for installation is completed to 30%. It may install features update and finishing up. So when it is going to finish all things, I will start. Till now I'm going to pause it here. So files are getting ready. So everything is going to be installed. Let's see what are the next steps it is showing. So till now it is showing it is going to restart the configuration window. So let's wait and see how and what are the next steps are coming. So these things are asking what are the things you want to install. So again you can select setup is a starting. I don't know why the same screen is coming on. Might be they are reconfirming the installation process. So let's wait and see. So we are getting the same, so I'm skipping everything and saying, so we already installed I think here. So I'm pausing it and we'll go to setup. So finally this is our Windows 11 screen, and just as you see this one, so we are going to proceed from here. This is our initial screen. So we are going to enter. Now we have entered our, so let's see what is the next step going on. So it is asking this is keyboard is right, so we are going to press yes. So we are going to press yes. Now want to add second keyboard layout, we are going to skip from here. So this is how Windows 11 booting process is going on. So it is asking here it is saying you need to connect to the Ethernet or Wi-Fi. So we are going to give Wi-Fi internet connection to continue setting up your device. Once connection you will get the latest feature and security. So we need to install some, we need to add some Wi-Fi. So let me add one. So we are going to connect with a hotspot. So here my device is Lenovo K8 Plus and Gioni, so I'm going to connect with this Lenovo. So Lenovo K8 Plus is going to connect it. So this is connected, so we are going to proceed to next. So let us see what is the next thing is coming up. So it is checking for updates, so there might be some updates is going on in the background. So let's wait for some minutes until we get next screen. So this is saying like, let's add your Microsoft account. If you don't have any Microsoft account, you can create it here. Or so let's create one Microsoft account. So I'm going to create one Microsoft account. So let me hide the screen so that afterwards we'll continue. So we are going to proceed. Just create name. So it is asking what's your name, so I'm installing for my brother. So let's say Arun Kumar. I'm just going to write. So here, so if you want to add a birth detail, you can add. Let's me add random anything. It can be changed anytime. So let's say 2000. Let's say you can add anything like 2000 or 1905. Let's say 2000. So we are going to proceed it here. So it is asking for verification, so we'll receive a verification code here. So let me check my verification code. So we are going to verify it. Our verification code is 9410, and we'll proceed to next. And we have successfully created account for Microsoft. So let's see what is the next step after this. So it is saying to create pin, so I am going to create a pin. So I am going to blur it. So we have created a pin. So here it is saying provide a pin that meets the complexity requirement. Can't be a common number pattern. Okay, so let me make it complex one. So we have created a pin successfully. So afterward, let's see what is the next screen is coming on. So this is new for us all because Windows 11 is just launched and we have installed it here. So let's see what is the next screen we are going to get. So this is the next screen we get. This is saying location, find my device, diagnosis. These all things are by default, we are accepting it, and we'll proceed to next. So let's see what are other factors we need to proceed. So these are the things we are going to skip for now, and we'll see what is the next. So this is the next screen. It is saying like save space on your PC with Drive. So we are going to automatically store my files in OneDrive. So you can choose any one of them. So your files will be accessible only on this device. So I'm choosing this one currently. So you can choose any one of them. So click next and just wait for some time. So it is going to complete. Setup is somewhat bigger than as compared to Windows 10 because lots of GUI work is there, and there is somewhat more features have been added in this one. So let's wait some more time. So this is the next screen we got. So it is saying you can either purchase these all things. So for now I am going to select no thanks. So let's see the next process one, what we are going to get. So it is checking for updates if it needs to be updated. So it might update. If it is not going to, if it thinks no need for update, so it will, so it might take some time. So let me pause it again. So we are getting this might take a few minutes. Don't turn off your PC, it is saying. So we are going to see a new interface for Windows 11. So let's wait for some time. So there is some animation part which Windows 11 has added. So this might take few minutes, it is saying. So finally we got a Windows 11 interface like this. So it looks like this. If you click all apps, it will show like this. So it will show like this. So let me show you everything how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is the complete new skin for Windows 11. So like in Windows 10 you see this search control panel, and if you want to see about configuration, let me show you about my PC. So it will show you, this is about your PC. So here you will see Windows 11 home single language. It is installed on 7.9.21 and OS build is this much and product ID is this one. So this is how we have successfully installed Windows 11 in our PC. So in next video I am going to compare you what are the different or what are the enhanced version team of Windows 11 is done compared with Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope you like this video. Keep supporting us and thanks for watching.